Hey guys, today we're going to be building the Academy F-16A Fighting Falcon, also known as the Viper. Here's the front of the box, side of the box, nothing on the back. This is also this is the YF-16 variant. You can see there's a red, white, and blue YF-16. It's just a camo version. I don't think I'm going to be doing the YF-16 camo, but we'll see. Haven't really decided on that yet. I'm probably going to be doing it with the landing gear down. Maybe up. Still haven't decided on that either. Still some things I'm deciding on. But anyways, guys, let's get to building this. So, guys, again, I filmed the cockpit when I was building the cockpit piece. Then my laptop died, and I lost the footage because I wasn't able to upload it. So I lost the cockpit footage, but anyways, it wasn't even that much. I literally just glued the seat to the little piece right here and glued it in the cockpit. That's literally it. Literally all I did. So anyways, we're going to get back to building, put the two halves together, and yeah, we're going to be putting on some of the main surfaces. Let's get into that. Okay, guys, so we finished up pretty much the general model. Now we're going to be putting the suspended armaments on the bottom. Let's get into that. Okay, guys, so we're about to start painting the plane. For the dark color, I'm going to be using medium gunship gray. For the lighter color on the nose, I'm going to be using US Air Force medium gray. And for the light gray on the bottom, I'm going to be using US Navy light ghost gray. As you can see, I've already masked the jet off. So, let's start it. Okay, guys, so I finished painting. As you can see, it came out pretty good. Also put the armament on. Now, nose color. I painted US Air Force Medium Gray by Vallejo Model Air. What's the main dark gray? Painted a medium gunship gray by Vallejo Model Air. And then the lighter color on the rudder, in the bottom. And like this little section right here in between the nose and the main fuselage, I use Vallejo's US Navy Light Ghost Gray, which is a surface primer, which is very nice to use actually. And the silver for the exhaust was I used Humbrol 11 silver. The bombs were painted with Vallejo model color dark green. Missiles were painted with flat white and flat black, flat red, and flat yellow. The little stripe was painted with flat yellow, and yeah. So now we're going to be putting on the decals. Now guys, as you can see, I did not go with the paint scheme on the box. I went with my own. I'm going to try to do something a little bit creative here, okay? Instead of buying aftermarket decals, I'm going to try and use the same decals, okay? So, what I'm going to do, okay, I'm going to take these numbers, put them where it would be on a real F-16, take pretty much everything I can use. Now, I know real F-16s, well, most real F-16s had colored roundels. I haven't really been able to find an image, or had gray roundels, sorry, not colored. I haven't been able to find an image of one with colored roundels unless it was a prototype. But hey, we're just going to roll the dice and hopefully it looks good. I mean, it's not what I want, but no, it's creative. And then I'm also going to use spare decals from this. Oh, this is my old A4/MiG-17 Airfix Dogfight Double, so I had some leftover decals. So we're going to be using these puppies. Anyways, I'm going to be showing you guys applying one decal, because I'm too lazy to do it all. I'm going to be showing you the little air refueling spot. So first you want to cut it out. Now this kit was really easy. I've actually only been working on this kit for like 5 hours straight, and it finished very quickly. And not too many fitting problems. Came out very nicely. Of course, so you can see there were some. Like right here, voice crack. I know it's bad one. Okay. Pretty much we're going to be making a made-up F-16. We're not going to be making a historical real one. These are the numbers for the prototype right here. See, numbers for the prototype. This is going to be made up. Just because, you know, I'm going to work with what I get. Or with what I have. I'm going to let that sit for a few seconds. I'm going to apply it right there. Get the instructions if it's not already dead. Yeah, these are not very good instructions. I can tell you that much. Okay, we're gonna move these decals to the side as we do not want water dripping on them. It'd be horrible. Okay, it's ready. Finished up pretty quickly there. Pick it up and dry it off, and we're gonna apply it. I think it's gonna go about. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That's Discord in the background. Where do I put this? Oh, there it goes. Right there. Okay. Let's get it right off. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you roughly apply a decal. That wasn't a very good one, but you got the gist. Cut it out, dip it in water, apply it to the surface in which you apply it, in which you wish to apply it to. Anyways, I'm going to be putting the rest of the decals on and showing you guys the finished product. Let's go. So hey guys, the kit is done. In my opinion, this kit came out pretty good. It's one of Academy's older kits, so it's not going to have the best fitting or the best design, but it's pretty good. Now this kit does come advertised as the YF-16A, the camouflage variant, which is colored in Air Superiority Blue and Off-White. And I did not like that camo, so I ended up making my own. Obviously, this is not a real squadron. I just slapped some decals that I thought would look cool on there, and went along pretty nicely, in my opinion. I think it looks pretty weird, pretty realistic. Now, I did have some fitting issues, such as the intakes. It's an older kit. But I enjoyed building this kit, and it's a very nice kit sitting on my shelf over there. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's been a little bit since I've done a modeling video, but finally, yeah, I got one out. But anyways, guys, we're at 40 subscribers. 40 plus subscribers. That's crazy. I never thought we would reach that. That's so soon. So thank you so much. And, way over half of you guys aren't subscribed. Like, so many of you guys aren't subscribed. So, if you're watching this and aren't subscribed, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.